Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. I'm Lily Abega. I've been taking you guys for a lot of videos. Right now, I want to take you guys to PowerPoint presentation. Like maybe you have a presentation to make as a student or any other person. Yeah, this video is going to benefit you. So I'm going to just take you guys through something simple. Like I'm going to maybe type in something in my slides and then I show you guys how to go in with it. So we open our PowerPoint. As you can see here, I've opened a black one, so we are going to do this together. Yeah, here you can see there is this version saying click to add first slide. When I click, a slide is opened up, as you can see. So maybe here we are going to talk about our environment. So we type in the word environment. The word environment. And then here click to add subtitle. You can say presented by Millie. Yeah, that's my name. Now when you're done with that, you come here. As you can see, there is new slide. So you click on that to get another slide. Yeah, I've gotten my second slide. And then here, we can maybe type in something like definition of environment. Yeah, so now we come here and we define what is an environment. Maybe we say an environment is our surrounding and the things in it. Yeah, so maybe that's the definition me I'm using. That's an environment. And then maybe we can add in something like in an environment there are people and belongings. Yeah, maybe that is our second slide, what we shall have there. And then we come back here, we get another slide. Yeah, our third slide. There, maybe we can be like examples of things in the environment. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys know environment and the stuff there. Maybe it'll be like plants. We have animals. Animals. Then we have like water bodies, obviously. For example, the rivers and the lakes. Maybe we have things like mountains and hills. You know, we have hills. We have basically a lot of things. Not forgetting us, we have the human beings, right? Yeah. So yeah, maybe that is our third slide. And then maybe we can get another slide talking about activities in the environment. People do a lot of activities. There are economic activities, political, social, all those daily activities like what you guys do in the day-to-day life. Maybe it can be like transportation of goods and and humans. Right, you can't even correct. As you can see, I've made a mistake here. I missed an A, so I just bring my cursor, then I include the word S. Then I come here and enter. Maybe to bring another activity. People go for jobs. Like, let me say mining. You can say what else? I say construction of houses. Also give birth, people die, like basically a lot of things happen in the environment. But yeah, I've given you the sample of those three. I wouldn't want us to have a lot of slides. So yeah, let us have those four. Now when we are done with creating our like putting our content in the slides, I want us to write just straight away. Go back to the first slide, and then we start with transitions. Remember I told you guys that transitions is like a feature like used on how you want your slides to appear during the presentation. So I've clicked on my first slide. Maybe I want it to appear in a fade manner. So yeah, that is it. And then maybe my second slide, I want it to wipe away. Yeah. And then maybe I come to my third slide. I want it to reveal. You understand? Yeah. So that is it. Then maybe my fourth slide, I want it to appear in, okay, I want it to flash, like flash, understand? So yeah, that is it. And now let's come back to our first slide again. Now I'm going to go for the animations. So I click on this, then I highlight. Maybe I want we go to animations. Remember I told you animations like used for the phrases, for the text. How you want maybe your pictures to appear, your presentation, like how they appear, you get. So maybe I want it to fly in our heading environment. I want it to fly in. Maybe you can leave this one of the presented by Millie phrase. We can leave it. You don't have to like make a lot of animations. Your work will look weird, so you have to do it smart. Then when you come here, maybe for my second slide, I want everything to appear the same, so I highlight this. I want shape. You understand? So it's made to appear. And then for the content of definition of environment, I highlight again. I want it to also shape. So that's for our second slide. You can see how it's appearing. Then we go to our third slide. Let me highlight this. I want it to there are a lot others. You can even come and click here and you choose one. I want it to bold flash, right? Then I again highlight this for my third slide. Sorry, we undo this. I want it to bold to highlighting. Told you guys you can choose more. I had chosen bold flash, so that's for my third slide. And for the last slide, we come and highlight activities in the environment. I want it to wheel, you understand? So here you can see it's wheeling, and then we come to our content of the activities. We highlight as well. I want it to wheel. So I'm done. I'm putting transitions and animations. So come back to our first slide. Now maybe we go to master slide. Where do we find master slide from? We go to view. When you come to view, there is slide master. You click on that. Now maybe I want to like insert maybe a picture or put the designs and all that. So for designs, we come to background styles. I want to format mine, so I click on format. And then there is solid fill, gradient fill on your right side of the screen. Yeah, so I want to solid fill. And then when I click on that, I come here. There are a lot of multiple colors. How do you want your to appear? Maybe choose a color like red. I know you guys love red. Yeah. And then transparency, you can decide to increase or you decrease, or yeah, we can go for gradient fill. Yeah, you can go for gradient fill, you can come for picture or texture fill, you can come for pattern fill. You can choose a pattern you want, maybe this, but me I don't want that. So me, I'm going to use, okay, let's try gradient fill. So there is this. Now gradient fill, you can like use multiple colors, okay? Because there is that provision. So maybe I come and choose color. And then I can say I want red. You see? Yeah. So I come on my third, these are like pencils, like okay, I come on my third arrow, I choose another color. You can use any number of colors you want as long as your work is nice. And then maybe I go for light blue. Right, you click on it as you can see. Then maybe I come to that third arrow and I'm like, feel like maybe let me see, I feel like maybe yellow, right? And then you can use multiple colors, like the number of colors you want. Then I'd be like, I want another shouting color to make my work look good. Okay, let's do that. As you can see, I've put these colors. So let us work with that. And then remember you're working with Slide Master. And I told you that when you're in Slide Master and like every change you're putting, that's going to appear on all your slides. So this is a color we're going to have on all our slides. And then you'll be like apply to all. After you see it was on one slide, now it's on all the slides, apply to all, and then you close. We are done with that. And then here is a provision of date. Yeah, here's a provision of date. We're in the ninth month, and this is 28, as you can see. And then maybe footer, let us put like maybe my name, Millie, type it in there. It's going to appear on all your slides. And then here, maybe we can do like page number, right? And maybe put a one hashtag. So like maybe that's the slide number. Like this is slide 1, slide 2. It's going to appear on your slides, okay? So yeah, that is basically it. Now maybe if you want to insert a picture, you can first come to insert and then there is pictures, click on pictures. And then maybe let's try and see if there are saved pictures in the computer. There is none. So let us go back to camera roll. There is also none. But you can like look for a picture. Yeah, you can look for a picture to insert in your work. Let us see if we can get a picture. Okay, there are no pictures, but you can insert. Now, if you have pictures in your PC, just come to the provision of pictures or online pictures. That now you have to first connect to the internet. You connect your computer to the internet, sorry, and then the pictures will come. Or maybe I want to insert a shape. Let us see if we can get one. Maybe put a smiley face, and then you come. You make sure where you've put it cannot cover your work, okay? So yeah, we've put our shape there instead of a picture. So that shape is going to apply to all the slides because we are using Slide Master. And then we come back to Slide Master. Slide Master, after using it, you have to close. So we close. We close, okay? And then now you can see I worked on Slide Master and it simplified everything. You don't have to go to every slide doing this and this and this, okay? So yeah, just not everything I used on Slide Master has appeared to all my slides. Now that is it. Let us see. We're done with that. Maybe we first go back to Slide Master and see from our view. Go back to slide master and maybe put our timings like after how many seconds or minutes do you want your work to appear. There is provision for that. There is even for slide size, effects and all that, background styles, that like specifically something not hard. Yeah. So after doing all this, you come to slideshow. Remember I told you slideshow, like when you click on slideshow, it's going to help you, okay? Like you don't need to keep on bothering yourself manually tapping on that PC. Now we're on slide one, slide two, what. So you just come to slideshow and then there is from current slide, okay? When you click on from current slide, you're going to have to continue clicking for your work to appear. Okay, go to the next slide. Remember I did time, so I have to click, okay? I have to click for my work to appear. You can see the transitions and the animations are working. Yeah, you can see. You have to keep on clicking for your work to appear. And then it is showing us that end of slideshow. You click to exit. But you can come here and be like from beginning. When you click on that, it's going to just like continuously go on. You don't need to hustle. Here when you click on record, it's going to like record all your like your presentation, but you don't want that, so let's go. As you can see, I was trying to record and it's showing me that the total time for slideshow was 9 seconds. Do you want to save the new slide timing? You can be like yes or no, but I'm not going to save. Yeah. So let's try from beginning. Keep on clicking, brings the next slide. Click, it brings the content. You can see the animations. Yeah, so they put them are working. Go to our side slide. You can see how the transition, the slide came in. And then the animations, how the words are appearing, like how they came in and all that. We go to our last slide. You can see the transition. Yeah, the animations, how the words are appearing. So that is our presentation. It is not something hard. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being there. You can like, subscribe my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and share my videos. Love you guys. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video.